Okay, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to our 13th session for this evening. Our topic for this evening is about Android, and our objectives are as follows. Number one, discuss the importance of mobile as a platform. Number two, value the importance of mobile use as a platform. And number three, understand the basic concept and structures of mobile use as a platform. So, for Android, this refers to the operating system based on modified versions of the Linux kernel and other open source software designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphone and tablets. But you all know that Android is everywhere. It can be also found on your TV sets and, of course, in cars with soft touch screen panels. So Android is developed by the consortium of developers known as the Open Handset Alliance and commercially sponsored by Google. It was unveiled in 2007 with the first commercial Android device launched in September 2008. So it's free and open source software, and you can download it on the internet for free. Its SDK is found on android.com. So you can go there and download the latest version for Android software. So Android open source project is basically the primary license under Apache licenses. However, all of this is proprietary software, no? So when we speak about proprietary, it means most notably, we have the Google Mobile Services, which includes core applications such as Google Chrome and other digital distribution platforms such as Google Play and associated Google Play Services development platform. You all know that 70% of Android smartphones runs on Google ecosystem. However, competing Android ecosystem and forks include also Fire operating system by Amazon, Lineage OS. But then again, Android name and logo are independent and trademarks of Google, which impose standards to restrict uncertified devices outside their ecosystem. So the source code has been used to develop variants of Android on a range of other electronics, such as game and consoles, digital camera, portable media player, PC, your Chromebook, no? And other, each with a specialized user interface. But then again, some well-known derivatives include Android TV for television, as I've said, and Wearable OS for wearables. They are Android watches, no? So both developed by Google. Software packages on Android uses APK format, which are generally distributed through proprietary applications like the Google Play Store, the Samsung Galaxy Store, Huawei App Gallery, Cafe Bazaar, GetJar, or open source platform like Aptoide and F-Droid. So Android has been the best-selling operating system worldwide on smartphones since 2011 and on tablets since 2013. So as of May 2017, it has over billion monthly active users and the largest installed base of any operating system as of 2021. And Google Play Store features over 3 million applications, and the current stable version is Android 11. But Android 12 is primarily on the beta phase, which is tested by some other hierarchical phones that we know right now. So for Android, some of these have applications or apps which extend the functionality of devices and must be 64-bit, which written using the Android Software Development Kit or the SDK. And then oftentimes, Kotlin programming language, which replaced Java as Google's preferred language for Android applications development, and was originally announced in 2017 that, however, Java is still supported, and it is mostly mixed with Kotlin. and other programming languages such as C++ and JavaScript, etc. Since Android devices are usually battery powered, we can say that Android services that is being put there on your Android operating system has a way to provide you with the latest applications that you ought to download and install it in your phones. But since again, Android devices are usually battery powered, Android is designed to manage processes to keep power consumption at the minimum. However, when an application is not in use, that the system suspend its operation so that while available for immediate use rather than close, it does not use battery or power or CPU resources. So Android source code is released by Google under an open source license, and its open nature has encouraged a large community of developers and enthusiasts to use the open source code as the foundation for community-driven projects, which delivers updated to older devices and other features for advanced users to bring Android to the devices originally shipped with other operating system. So lastly, internally speaking, Android identifies each supported devices by its device code name, a short string which may or may not similar to the model name used in marketing the devices. For example, when you speak about Google, we referred as the Google Pixel for cell phones. So that is it. And for our activity number 13, you ought to make a video demo, pretend to be a vlogger, and review any Android phone. So you have to save it in MP4 format and upload it in your Google Classroom. Okay, so add Astra Sapientiam to the stars through knowledge. So that is the end of our lecture for this evening, guys. And so your activity for this week is similar to the activity last week. However, you're going to review an Android phone. Don't you worry, guys. This is the end of our device or your mobile platform activities. So most probably you will have another different. You will have a different. What's this kind of activity for next week, no? However, I hope that you have enjoyed your video shooting, video clippings on your reviews. I have posted some of the best reviews last week, and hopefully I can also post the best TikTok maybe this next week or this week, I don't know. And then I can, if ever I have reviewed your activity for this week, maybe on Saturday pa, because the deadline will be tomorrow. So I can post it again, some of the best clips that I can find when you are going to pass your. Don't worry, guys. If ever your video was not yet picked, maybe on the TikTok you did great, and on this week I can also review it and post it also. So it's not only for our enjoyment, guys, but this activity is a reflection of your efforts, and I very much appreciate your efforts, guys. And all of those things that you are going to do or you did for the activity is very much appreciated, because you have put in some effort, and you also give emphasis to your talents, as well as being an IT student. You have proved to not only to us but to the viewers also of this class, to your classmates and everyone, that indeed you're an IT student. And so I hope that some of this, I think, for so that we'll have a broad, we can suggest to maybe in our ICT week that we can have TikTok videos, and reviews like this will be great addition to some of the activities that you can showcase your talents as an IT student, no? So because we all know that you had a range of talents, and as an IT student, you can show to us that you are not only good in programming, but also in other areas for IT students. So I think I hope that you had again. I hope that you had enjoyed our past activities from TikTok, and then from this one, and hopefully we'll have another and also that activity, so that you'll not be bored nga pirmi lang amo day activity ninyo. However, I hope that you enjoyed, as I've said. And if you have any questions right now, please feel free to ask me for your activity for this week, and um, so that we can answer it. If not, you are free now to jot down your attendance. Or do you have any comments, guys? Do you have any more comments about your past activity or ano? So before you go, let me ask lang some of you before we end this. Total, we have a lot of time pa. What is your experience making those videos from TikTok, and ano, sino ma start? James, do you have any something to say or to share to us? What about Joshua? Because I know Joshua is also contributing his TikTok and his video. And Krisha, I'm surprised that Krisha Jean has a very good review, no? Most sa tatlo nga to, I think kay Krisha ang nagustuhan ko gid. Ay do manami siya mag-narrate ang narration na ang storytelling niya, medyo nami siya. As well as Giselle has a very good video also, and James. Kay James lang, he did not utilize the background music, but actually his review is great, and ang pagpasunod nami ang pagpasunod niya. And I think Joshua has a good Josh, I think your TikTok video is great also. And Faith also has a good review. Guys, do you have any something to share to us, to your classmates, kung ang sa experience lang ninyo before we end lang, sa experience ninyo paghimo video bala, medyo kung ano lang gusto nyo ihambal? Maybe you can say something. Did you have a hard time doing your video, or why na, or ano, or how long did it take from you guys to finish the video? Can you share to us? Sino mo umpisa? Mauna. Faith? Ikaw, Faith? Ano mo, Faith, nga experience paghimo sa mga activity naton? Halin sa TikTok, then sa video, then sa tong mga call ninyo bala?
Daw na-enhance ya editing skills ko, gamay lang.
Oo. Hindi lang man siguro gamay, pero at least nag-improve guro yun ang ano, or probably since nga pandemic man lang, kag wala man kita guro duro nga ginaobra gid or ano. Pero I hope, guys, that hindi man to naka-interfere sa mga obra ninyo, no, or mga sa sulod kabalay ninyo bala, or sa free time lang ninyo to ginagamit. Kaya I know some of you naga-work pan, di ba, or naga-sideline or whatever nga ginaobra ninyo. So how long, Faith, it took you to finish the videos and your activity? Dali man lang.
Mga isa kadlaw, sir, pati pag video ug pag-edit.
Isa ka ano. Kiti ano man lang, 'di ba? At least mga ang TikTok is 30 seconds. Ang ano ninyo is 2 minutes man lang, 'di ba? I think manami doon naka-compact no yung tanan, abi mo. Naka-ano doon gawa. So, mga one day gid man. So tsimpuhan nyo gid man siguro, no, 'di ba? So okay lang man. Okay lang man kaninyo. What about other people, Josh? What is your experience sa TikTok video mo? Okay. Kay Krisha abi, no? Chris? Okay, Josh. Noted, Josh. Okay lang. So, Chris, insa nga man nami ang video mo last time, Chris? himo ka ano mo papasunod kadang ginplanuhan mo gid or anuan mo gid nga mo de background music or ano? Okay, sige lang. Okay lang guys. Hello,
Nagbuon mo
hello.
lang ko sir ka mga idea sa mga YouTube.
Oo. So, good congratulations Chris no nami pag-ubra mo. Okay, although guys, kita nyo man ang sa Symbian phone, medyo daan naman siya ng phone. And usually sa may mga keypad ninyo siya makita. Pero actually I'm surprised guys that most of you has a very good keen for reviewing, no? Kag manami ya sequence kapag butang ninyo, and of course the background music nagabagay man sa ginobra ninyo. So hopefully in your future activities you have learned a lot or something like that some things that you did not do the last time and you did it today or in our past activities. I hope that you have gained some insights or lessons and your skills, sambal ni Faith, nag-develop yung skills ninyo. So thank you so much guys for spending the lecture for this evening with me, and I hopefully you put your attendance already on our chat box. And thank you so much and good evening gid sa tanan. Okay, so this is goodbye already. So I'm going to stop the recording now, and so thank you guys and good evening lang dyan sa balay ninyo. So shout out to all your classmates that who are going to see this video later on, and also to your folks there at home. Good evening sa tanan. Sa mga ginikanan nyo, kag sa mga ano ninyo tanod ka ninyo dayan. So good evening lang kananda. Okay, so thank you and good evening sa tanan. Thank you guys.